I'm really excited. I've just got back from my first foraging session for wild garlic this season. It's one of my favourite vegetables and it's around for probably about 6, 8, 12 weeks depending on where you live. I was out in the woods about 10 days a week ago and it was literally just poking through the ground. But today I was in for such a lovely surprise. I've picked a little bag full. I was quite lucky I had my canvas bag with me, but it had actually grown and there was loads of leaves. That's the sort of size you want. If you've never tried it before, it is absolutely gorgeous and you can use it in place of spinach. Make sure you wash it properly and have it with stir fries, curries or with a roast dinner as a vegetable dish. But my favourite is if you make it into a pesto. I'll pop a recipe on the screen for you. It's really easy to make, tastes gorgeous, especially if you've got a spiraliser and you do some courgettes and just mix the homemade pesto into it. It's fantastic at this time of year. It's really cleansing for you. And so that's my health tip this week, is to get out and do some foraging and make the most of the wild garlic that's there for free.